Alright.
Hey, how's everybody going today? Do you think that when you buy a cement mixer, they sell you a dud set of fucking wheels on it that are guaranteed to fuck you up or stuff up within 2 years? Now what you do once they stuff up is you pull them off, you knock the bearings out of them, cut yourself some 2-inch ID buddy pipe, and you cut it at about 90mm long. Now the bearings that you've knocked out will fit straight in the ends of it. They will. So the bearings go straight in. In the meanwhile, you go down to your local car wrecker and you buy the emergency wheels out of cars, and that out of wrecked cars. So you pay about $20 each for them. And that you get this pipe and put it down inside of it, and you weld it in there, which is what I'll do now. Righto, that's just tapped there at the moment. Your bearings go in. Just zoom back out. Probably put that bearing on there. Now you put the wheel on back to front. Put the wheel on back to front. And voila, you got a wheel that's going to last you the next 20 years, not 2 years, 20 years. I wish these concrete cement mixing manufacturers would get the point that they put shithouse tyres and wheels on their cement mixers. Cheers, have a good day.